Shout out to Canva and artists and creativity everywhere. Your favorite tool has arrived. Canva is just not a tool for YouTube content creators to make absolutely phenomenal thumbnails and videos like this one, Carlson Awards. Yeah, I made this video using Canva.
Ordered or something?
I'm not sure. Hold for transfer.
Just go to voice over there. Yeah, because I have tons of videos and photos you can choose from just to bring your ideas to life. You can just literally spend all day just creating any kind of content you want. And if you use my link in the description box, or it should be up on the screen here somewhere, then you can get your first free month. Free! Yeah. And for a lifetime after that, at a discounted rate. I believe it's half off. Can't be beat. What are you waiting for? Click the link. Let's get started making our dreams come true.